Hey guys, it's me again. I got a request from a friend of mine that wanted me to do a hair tutorial. But I don't know how that's gonna work out because to my hair will be the style will be like pretty much everybody's. Because Pentecostal hairstyles are very popular on YouTube. So mine are similar to theirs, like the pin curls, where you take a piece of your hair and you roll it like this, and then you pin it all over. You can do little ones or big ones to make your hair look real full, but I just do the big ones because my hair is not, I mean, it's long, but it's not as long. So I do them real big. That way, if I'm late or something, I just, pin curl all over my head. So that's pretty much same as the other ones. And then if you want to be real fancy, you can do the little ones, make it look, nice and stuff. And then there's this one, which I do it pretty much all the time, every day. And like this one girl, she does it all the time. She just takes her hair and just twirls it, and then goes like this, and then she keeps twirling it, and then she just pins it up. And a lot of people do these up here, but I just do mine down here. And then I also do the, cause I sleep in the pin curls. Like on Sunday, I'll hairspray, and then when I get up, I'll take it down and it's curly. Well, when I do that, I re-ponytail it, and then I just start pinning everywhere to make it look, kind of messy, but it's still nice looking. But I was told to do a hair tutorial, so I may do that. I don't know. Because it's kind of hard doing it from your laptop, which that's what this is. It's my laptop because I don't have I'm not really fancy. So, so I may just do my hair sitting down at my desk, which I am doing right now, and then just do my hair. And also my hairstyles are pretty much the same as everybody else's, except I don't pull, this stuff down and, or these right here down and curl them. Because I did try it one time, but I kept doing this. I kept putting it behind my ears because I just don't like it. I mean, it looks very nice on other people. It really does. But for me, no, because I will just keep doing this and make them go behind my ears. So that's why I put mine all up, all of it. I don't do the little bump thingies because my hair won't let me. You pretty much have to train your hair to do these hairstyles, like the bumps and stuff. You have to train your hair to do that because you see these girls, they'll do it and it comes out perfectly. That's because they practiced and they did it all the time, and naturally their hair does that now because they've done it so much that it just automatically boop. But mine, it won't. I mean, I've done it maybe 2 or 3 times, and it doesn't naturally go up. But I mean, that's just as mine is just simple. Oh, I got a gray hair. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. That is so cool. I got another one right there. Huh. And right there. I love my gray hairs. That just means that, I earned them. I earned them. So that's gonna be cool. But anyways, yeah, I was told that I need to do a hair tutorial, but I don't know because I've never done one before. So we'll see how it turns out. I mean, it may not be the good thing, the goodest, but. And I'm actually excited. My hair is getting longer. which is pretty cool for me because a long time ago, I think it was 2006. This is when I was not in the church. My hair was here. It went to here. Then I haven't cut it since 2006. So actually the last time I cut it again was the 8th grade. That's when the last time. So it was pretty much here again, the 8th grade. And so, 5 years later, it came down to right here. And then later, a few more years down the line, it comes to here. So it went from here to here. That's how long my hair is now. To about right here. Yeah, about right here. And then when I straighten it, it goes a little bit further down when I straighten it. But I'm gonna try to do a hair tutorial. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, and I'm about to get off here and go eat some leftovers, and I'll see y'all later. Oh, it's still recording. Oops. Sorry, y'all.